Let us all welcome Asia's timeless diva, Dulce!
Mayong gabi, kaninyong tanan! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? A sweet love story that is never seen. The simple truth about the love he brings to me. Where do I start? With his first hello, he gave a meaning to this empty world of mine.
sad me. Kami sad.
Ako istorya ko.
Kami sad.
Usa ni adin ni kailan ko mi ganyan ka ron ni. Murag aso baylo, mahurot ang kuras. Unya na lang. Unya na lang kong istorya. Pero awit sa ko. Paano kung wala ka na? Paano ba ang mag-isa? Mula nang makasama ka. Kung paano'y limot ko na. Paano ang pag-ibig ko? Kung di rin lang laan sa'yo ang buhay ng aking mundo. Di ko alam kung paano magkalusan. Sana'y matuwagan mo. Naiwasan ang bawat nakasanayan ko. At limutin na ang maghinay lagi sa'yo. Paano ba ito? Kahit daming bagay na hindi ko na alam. Tulad ng lumuhas sa'yo ay magdamdam. Dahil naniwala, labis akong kapalaman ng bawat mong dasal. Paanong aking kung di mo na ako pansin? Kung ito'y panaginip, paano ba ang magising magkalisan? Sana'y maturuan mo. Naiwasan ang bawat nakasanayan ko. At limutin na ang maghintay lagi sa'yo. Paano ba ito? Kahit daming bagay na hindi ko na alam. Tulad ng luha at sa'yo ay magdamdam. Dahil naniwala, labis akong mahal. Laman ng bawat mong dasal. Paano ba aking mahal? Paano ba mahal? Kayo i-please. Tinuod na kayo, murag naantay mo na ng standard basta naman. Ako'y basihanday, sus, makahahadlok, makalilisan. Di bitaw, tinuod ba yan na, mag-ingon si Martin ako siya, I think Cebu loves you only. Ikaw yung na tinuod, uy, yung nagay-appreciate, the Cebuanos are very appreciative. O, mao lagi na, tinuod man sad nga ka ng mangita bitaw, ka na bang, wala na, standard lagi, doon ay standard. Kanang murag kung ang di good. So nga mo, di sila mamagpak, mga yung pagpakpak, ikaw ako, sa may pakpak, bisang di ko pakpakan, di ko may pakpak. Kung mapakpak ang tao, that means, nalipay sila, they appreciate you, pero maminaw man, di ba? So, ay, ilay, di nanet, wala ba ni? Ay, kasi, isa manghigala, masilingan. Magsuon, hindi ko dahil. Ang ilikod sila, o sige, pag di mo katagsa-tagsa, kaya hayag na makaayo. Ano si attorney ba nila? Is that attorney? The beautiful Evelyn, Madam. Oh, daghan. Yes. Magsayo akong greetings ba? Hindi Gladys, so yung mga kaubanan sa Pilipinas Parish, no? Yes. Si Ana Montes Claros, dahil mingaw ko mananggi. Hamas ang gusto nila. Absent, na-traffic, mabot siya ako man na. Ma'am, kitsa ko ni si ma'am. Ma'am, Lisa Morales. Yan, kay Morales, alam, bitaw ko sa mga naong, nag-beautiful. Ditag sa ko, di ba ako kaaning kape nagpunta sa tunga sa centenaryo ba? Oo, usahay ko naman, kumurag mo buffing David ko siya nga, buffy rin. Bagya yan, naguna-una sa to, basta anyway, kining doon na inising, mo kanta dyan ko binaya, kaya yun no, dili man mahitabo, mag-isang asa kung kanta sa, dini sa atong naso, sa tibok kalibutan, anywhere I go around the world, I sing Bisaya. They have to know, they ought to know, and people, sometimes they say, uy, makanta pa ng mga Bisaya na kanta, o iba ka na din yung matunil ko sa Hera June. May nagkakanta, they're beautiful songs. I will share with you one, this is my most favorite good na Cebuano song, no? And I remember, kandi adto pa sa record nila Stax Ugerte, I wonder if some of you remember Stax Ugerte, the likes of Auremistis Abayan, no? And the song was composed by Manny Cabase. Manny Cabase is the father of Amapola. And that time when I used to listen to this, gamay pa ko, Bulacau, maglaba ko sa Bulacau, paduman na sa tabok sa Patalisay. Lagi maglaba ko kay wa man ko'y radyo niya ang mga maglaba taga Pasig Ermita. Ato dito sunod-sunod ko. Kay doon na sila yung mga radyo. Sa mga paminaw ko, drama kung sa diya. Dito ra gyud ko makapaminaw anong mga kantahan. Diba? Nahimugso man as kasing-kasing tungod kay nahalura man gyud sa aling patakan. Nakapay na nagsabot na ako. Nakapatik yun na sa aling patakan. Yes, and that time, I didn't even know ako kailan sa mga composer. And then, niabot ang panahon na pagkanta na ko sa Cebu Restaurant sa Makati, ang 4-piece band, si Manny Cabase, the father of Amapola. And that's where I came to know, these are mga songs na iyang isuwat, with the lyrics of Sap Villarino. And this song is really my favorite Cebuano song. Murag buon lang siya, pero sabi lang, minaw lang ta. And by the way, that time, when I left from Manila, katong gidana dyan ko dito, karang after my, kay doon ang nag-record ko sa ato. By the way, I have to say this now. Ano mo tubig ka diyo? Magsagkob sa ako, excuse me. Ganun ako, ay, nalinaw mo. Dili sa ato, ma-practice na akong binisaya, kaya asam akong istorya sa inyo lang man din eh. Excuse me. Pastilan. Dili ba? Sa katong, kay, niadtong, ang akong unang recording yun, Cebuano, katong gihandong ko ikaw, flip side, kay 45 RPM maniya to, flip side sa Katami sa Bulak. Parehas kay compose ni Tony Espina. Unya to, that was when I was 12 years old. Yes. Karon 62 naman ko, so pila na ko katuig recording. So this year is my golden year. So I'm celebrating it with you. Sa recording industry, kay 5 years, una dinis ato, unya, by 1977, 78, nag-recording na ako sa Manila, katong Dulce Amorina. Gusto rin ako kay Kapsikukan, Kapsikuhilak. Ato sa papahuwayan atong luha pa. Patigong sa kadihan na. May mahagbong. Ito na mag-istorya sa atong mga katagibalangay. Katagibalangay na unsa. Wala'y kasabot na ako mo. Ang upan din na dyan, kasabot sa akong binisaya. Wala nga mo reklamo sa Pilita Corrales na ako siya. Dahil hindi ka ng binisaya. Iko hinday ako nga mahang karaan tao. Kaya na tao 1919. 1919. Magawa lang sa Marcos ng Doktuig. So 100 years kapi na sila. Ya, mo na nga akong sinutian, kinaraan yun. Dinukid kayo ba? So, there are times, ang magkasinabot ra yun sa karaan sinutian, kami ni Manilin Reyes. Ako pandili doon, ulit sinilin. Oh. So anyway, taas ako istorya, magkanta na ko, but this one, kay katong istorya gapon, Kaya katong nag-una ko sa Manila, I had to say goodbye to my colleagues. Diya sa karaang ABS-CBN building sa isgina sa Tigil Rosario. Kaniya to man ay ABS-CBN niya. Dito man ako makuha si Tatay Pael, si Noy Ben Villaluz, kay before that, sa DWS mo ko sa talent, radio talent po DWS, kay magdramaturga mo ko sa una. Yeah, sabi ka nang itablado ba? Kana ba mo biyahe mo atos isla? Sa kagag baruto niya, mo capsize, mahubis na unya to, dagan mo memories ko, kunya ako sa ato, dagan mo istorya. So, nanaglit ko nila, atok Manila, unya, so, di ba, ikanta ko to, paano ganana? Gimahayan dyan ko sa atong mga kaubanan na, ngano kung Tagalog dyan ko akong direkor, nung pinsay ko, kung saan para makapenetrate na dito, ganun na sa kong record Tinagalog. But actually, later on, up to now, ang mas daghan akong na-record ang Cebuano songs ng Tagalog. I have more albums in Cebuano than in other dialects. Tinugod lang. And yes, this one is, ninuting ginahan ko kanta, ako yun yung ipa-appeal sa aking recording. So I recorded this part of the album na ano ko kay Nongdong kung sa title. But ako lang i-prepare akong kagalingon kaya medyo bukat-bukat na nikantaha. So yeah, this is the song composed by Manny Cabase. Pasabot mo na ako, katong mo na ako. Okay. The sound engineer came from Manila. No. Maybe I need help. Okay, sige. Murag, basta maon eh. Aminawon sa nato. Manukan sa ako ha? Ay, pakadila. Kaya akong gandam akong kasing-kasing. Nadya andam-andam. Sayod ka dahil. Dagang nasayod. Nya, ingon inira ba, diligid malikayan. Anyway, sige. Sige anak. May sugilanon na naisulat sa lapyahan sa panahon, nahanaw daw asul. Sa paghulas sa dagat, may tunog nga handumon sa kugmang kikalimtan ko. Ako nagsunod sa imong landong, mahimong ikalimtan sa imong pagmaya. Ako nagtamo sa imong pulong, pahilayo kanimo, walay bili kinluha. Sa Lisod! Kung saan maning mga laglong maning atong kuhan. Sumpay! Sa atong mga kompositor, sa Tibong Kabisayan ng Mindanao, excuse me. Dandansoy, bayaan tayaw. Pauli ako sa bayaw. Ugaling kung ikaw hilaw. Sige, magkatawa ni Apple. Ang bayaw imula lantaw. May kaluwis na ako'y pilok, no? O pa man ako. Remind me na sa akong pilok niya na din, ha? Manakot niya. Dandansoy kung imo apasun. Bisang tubig di makalugaling kung ikaw uhawon sa dalan magbubun. Kaysa panay man ang kantang Dandansoy, no? Bukod-bukod magkuhan ba? Tapay-tapay. Kinisunod nga asin gisuwat sa kasubuanon, nagpuyo sa dalabaw, samtang nagsuroy-suroy sa buhol. Usahay makadanggo ako, nga ikaw ug ako damguhon sa kanunay sa akong kamingaw. Usahay kasing-kasing ko magbasol nga nabuhi ni kalibutan. Anila sino sa stilan, ikan bentahon sa kabukiran. Kaninyo makikubay-kubay, nigit sa tulog ninyong kalinawan. Palinaw na'y akong pupunan, mako'y kapingin sa kong hinikunan. Awit na lapinaraan, nagarbo sa atong kabunturan. Ay, sa aking palikaw, manindog pa pasayaw, nangyawan sa kabugnaw. Tikadong, intaw mo sa sinurong, nagtanaw, kang inday, nagtabisay ang laway. Aroy, ani asigula sa mga kahitlaw. Aroy, hindi ka ba malukoy, hindi pobre nga nila. Aroy, ani asigula sa mga kahitlaw. Aroy, hindi ka ba malukoy, pobre nga nila. Di ka ba malukoy, pobre nga nila. Di ka ba malukoy, pobre aling atong bukog. Anyway, para sa mga higala na po, na naalang kanunay, nasayod mo kin sa mutiha. Yan naman dyan yung mabot sa kinabuhi na mag-ihakas panahon. But Ecclesiastes 3:1 says, there is a time for everything and a season for every activity under heaven. And this is our time to shine, ladies. Sabi na, Zonta? Zonta girls? Thank you for coming. Thank you for being with us. Good morning. Yesterday. And time has slipped away. And suddenly it's hard to find the memories you've left behind. Remember? Do you remember? The laughter and the tears in the shadow of mischievous dreams, the good times and the bad you've seen, and all the others in between. Remember? Do you remember the times of your life? Reach back for the joy and the sorrow will never away in your mind. The memories of times that you borrow, you spend when you get to tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one. So gather moments while you may, collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, when you remember the times of your So gather moments while you may, collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Do you remember all those times of your on a different meaning nila. They are more spiritual. As I go through the lyrics, I realize that there are things that is being said there. They're being said there. Magpahimangno man nato. Nung ka mo pahimangno? Okay, something like that. Mag-remind nato. No? We are being reminded of the message of the song. And even with this one now, this is a Sondheim music from the West Side Story. There are words in the song that just reminds us something like even forgiveness. Someday, somewhere we'll there. Hold my hand and I'll take you there. Somehow, someday, So anyway, so before we continue, allow me to invite you all to experience the gaming offerings of Casino Filipino. Try your luck as Casino Filipino offers a wide selection of table games and slot machines. May the good fortune be in your favor. And in addition, as you play in Casino Filipino, you are taking part at PAGCOR's nation-building programs. Generated revenues will be used to provide assistance to Filipino families who will be greatly affected by natural calamities and disasters. With that, big shout out to all who continuously patronize Casino Filipino. A big round of applause to all of them. Thank you so much. Happy 37th anniversary, Casino Filipino, Cebu. Kanya, nandiyan sa Untak Club Cebuan, Cebu Cares Club, usap to ninyo Paris Cantors. Yay! Thank you, Dong. Ay, tapos na ba ako? Paano ito nga pamanto? O saan na orasan ay? Lampas na ko oras? Okay. Uy, time me want to stop. Waping 1 hour. Okay. Okay, this is very special. Well, you know, the next song is very special to me, Kai. With this song from the musical Katie, Katie originally, that's the story of our very own vaudeville queen, Katie de la Cruz, no? It was staged, written by Nestor Torre, and the music was by Ryan Cayabyab. It was staged in 1988. I was supposed to be part of that, but I was in a Europe tour. But when it was restaged after 25 years, in 2013, in CCP and Meralco Theater, I finally was able to do and perform the role of Olivia, katong more aging, kung ano siya ba, artist na insecure na kaayo. And this is her song, a duet with the rising star na si Katie de la Cruz. And by the way, sa akong role diha, nakadaog ba akong Best Actress? Nakampang pag-nagmay ba? Yes, I won Best Actress for this role as Olivia. And this is a rare opportunity, and I'm very happy that kay duet na siya. I did a duet with Hazel Santos in the play, and there were a couple of times na akong na-invite with ipupos na kanta kung anak ba. And now she's here with me. Yeah, she's here with me, and she's kung mag-emote. She sacrificed a lot. Kaya after what happened, but she had to give up her profession. She is a painting instructor, and but she had to take over sa career na ako. So she is now my manager, and she's handling my technical whatevers and all. And she's there. And I asked her if she can sing with me tonight. And for the sake of our friends who have always been there for us, may I call my daughter Jemima. Nakay microphone na, anak? Anak ako, sige. Would you like to say something first before we sing? Isa na? Mayong gabi eh. Unya, usapan niya, may favorite line siya. May favorite line? Kahilakon na. Kahilakon na. We sing na?
Yes.
Okay, dong. Sige. Ano na lang yung isang sandali na makatigil ng pagmamahal yakap mo'y hanap-hanapin. Akala ko ang mundo na ay akin, ngunit hindi pala ganyan. Katigas na kalimutan na minsan ang minahal ay ako. Thank you so much. She hasn't sung in a long time. Itong pandemic, nauso ang kumo dito siya sige, perform. But actually, she hasn't really yet decided to go professionally. But I have some news because my youngest daughter, the 16-year-old Abigail, she will be launched on October here in Cebu kay siya nagkanta sa Cebuano version of the Salvation poem, the theme song of Superbook. Ano bang animation na, Bible story for, well, it's not Bible story, it's really the Bible, and she will be launched here. Ang akong mga anak, Jemima, she also has a recorded song in Spotify, no? It's a duet with Chad Borja's daughter, ng Abi sa Dangan. It's entitled Lawit. It's Cebuano, written by Gaza Barquez. And Abi will sing also, her first recording is the Cebuano Salvation poem na sa Superbook niya. O diba? It is a blessing. I'm so proud of them kay the Lord really gave it. Kay, you know, I honor the place where I come from, where I came from. I'm very proud of Cebu. I'm a proud Cebuano. Isang asa ko pa doon, ibaw din na sila nga Cebuanong nakubito. Yes. And I bring that with me wherever I go. Bisa ko palit ng planeta. So yeah, and God honored that heart's yearning na ako mga anak ilang mo recording puro ginisay. No? Bisan di pas lang ka makonsulti. But anyway, happy ko sa mga oras no, undang nabugtabi that you go through and all the sacrifice. And that's why I just want to sing this song for you, for us. Okay? Maestro, please. It's from the chorus line by Marvin Hamlish. Kiss today goodbye. The sweetness and the sorrow. We did what we had to do. But I won't forget what I did for love, what I did for love. Look, my eyes are dry. The gift was ours tomorrow. It's as if we always and I can't regret what I did, what I did. Love is never gone. As we travel on, love's what we'll remember. Kiss today goodbye, and point me towards tomorrow. Wish me luck the same to you. Won't forget, can't regret what I did for love. What I did for love. What I did for love. As we travel on, love's what we'll remember. Kiss today goodbye, and point me towards tomorrow. Wish me luck the same to you. Forget, can't regret what I did for love. What I did for Thank you very much. Thank you, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. Akong awiton, kining mga, ang nakailaning kanta na, ikaw mak, kay, may calculator makapirmi sa, sa Larsian. Usa kalibo siyang kagatos katong ikaw haan. Hinong dong ganak, dong, alin? Huwag kag sapot. Kaysa may nahibaw diha. Ako ra jud. Ma'am? Kauhaan. Ha? 1920. Kauhaan. Oo, usa ka libo siya kagatos ka tuig, kauhaan. Gisuwat ni Constancio de Guzman. Apan nagdungog lang ni siya gyud sa katawhan ni atong usa ka libo siya kagatos ka tuig kalim-an uba. Samot tungod sa kanibang yes, ay nakamat na gud siya. Kay tungod ni atong pelikula ba nga kani sila Carmen Rosales ug si Rogelio de la Rosa. Apan kining pinakatiguang na nato sa gobyerno si Senador Juan Ponce Enrile ba? Ingon siya nako, dili lang na 1954, 1940. Sus Ginoo, yung kibaw kay kining wahin na tagi na tao lagi. But anyway, but I know it became popular 1954 from that time on. It has always been some duet, no? Kaya ito mo, duo mi sa atong mga nagsuunan ba nga OFWs. Kauban na ako, akong kaduet ni ato, si Juventus Maturan. Pero ako kamangkuran nila. O, kami duet. Kanya si Juventus, ni Panaw naman, ni una na. So later on, akong kaduet, ang King of Kundiman, si Rick Manrique Jr. Kanya to, ni Panaw na sa... Ako na lang hibilin. Ako na hibilin. Yeah, pero anyway, nag-record me anak sa tribute to Constancio, kami nila yung Valdez, katong engineer of Missile 1. We have that record. But it was in 1991 when I was given the opportunity to record the song solo, nagihimong theme song sa drama anthology. From that time on, gani, nisira lang bago lang, 31 years, after 31 years. So, ang mga millennials, murag noon ilang nailan na ako nga kanta. So, I'll share this with all of you, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. The song that you... Sa akin Ma'am Zenny. Thank you, Ma'am Sunshine. And our sound engineer, Bo? The name of our sound engineer? Joy. Thank you. Salamat kaayo. Yeah, of course, Sir Alvin. Where's Sir Alvin? Who's he? Somewhere. Thank you, Sir Alvin. Yeah, and my daughter. Thank you, Jem. And my handler in the Visayas, Miss Apple Swico. Thank you. And our rolled into one Jeriel Jochi. Thank you, Ja. And ninyong tanan na niya karon din eh. Thank you so much. My dear friends, thank you. Thank you so much. May tag makabalik ko din eh. O, siguro, mga kuan sa lutuin pohon. Kaya mutambling mga paskalibutan. Thank you kaayo. Thank you, Sir Alan. Thank you, Inday, Eli, Nanette, and Ma'am Gladys. Thank you so much. I'll share this song with you, the song that gave me my biggest break in the Philippine recording industry that George Canseco wrote for the second Metro Pop in 1979. But after that, I was sent to represent our country to Hong Kong for the 4th Asian Singing Competition, where we won the grand prize for our country, the Philippines. Yes, and we thank the Lord for the victory. And you know what? This is some sort of the song is the bookends of my life. Bakay nagsugod, and then George Canseco, before he died, 7 days before he passed away, he surrendered his life to the Lord. And he added lyrics to the song to honor God. And I just have to acknowledge that because, well, it's a long story, but yeah, to just tell you, I'll bring the song to a crossover. Bring the cross over from this song. It's originally entitled, Ako ang Nasawi. No? Kunya, mo ni declaration mo na ako kinabuhi sawi kaayo. Takas kay panong sawi. But anyway, mas tinuray itong Ako ang Nagwagi. No? So yes, I'll share the song with all of you. I'll share to you the original and then we bring it over to honor Him. Amen? Thank you so much. This is for all of us, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Master. Everyone born of God overcomes the world. And this is the victory that has overcome the world. Our faith. Who is it that overcomes the world? Only he who believes that Jesus is the Son of God. Kung kaya sa'yo ko, malaya kong nasusunod ang gusto. Kasama ko at di humihigil sa iyo. Ang sabi niya, ako'y larawan ng ligaya't saya. Mapalad daw ako sa pag-ibisa at nalimutan daw kita. Bawat ibo, hindi rinig ang sigaw. Tinatawag Ngayon, ako ang nagwagi. You are victorious. Thank you so much. Blessed evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Salamat tayo. Kumay ako! Aray mo sa... Uy! Oh, may pang-hours kayo. Hinay-hinay. This is my dear friend, Eliza Torres. So, thank you so much. But she is my very dear friend. She's been there for me. Ganina ba, nang akong isudya si Paul. And ko, dahil, di sila ganahan. Yung sana, kita yung kung ako mamatay ha, mauna gani ko sa ako ni Eliza, ko siya mag-eulogy para na ako ha. Kabali. But yes, she's my friend. Thank you so much, Lady Lai. Thank you, Dai. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Miss Dulce. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause.